Most students make this grammar mistake every day. Are you one of them? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English 360. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is active voice and passive voice. Don't worry, I will explain it in a simple way with easy examples. By the end of this video, you will be able to change active sentences into passive sentences confidently. So let's get started. At first, let's understand what is active voice. In active voice, the subject does the action. Active means someone is doing something. So the easy formula is who plus does plus what. Let's give an example. The boy kicks the ball. Here the boy is who, kicks is does, the ball is what. Let's see some more examples. Ram eats mango. She writes a letter. So these are the active voice sentences. So in case of active voice, we focus on who does the action. Now let's understand what is passive voice. In passive voice, the object receives the action. Passive voice means something receives the action. Easy formula. What plus is or am or are plus done by plus who. Look at an example. The ball is kicked by the boy. Here object comes first, ball. Then use helping verb is. After that, past participle of kick, that is kicked. Last we add by the boy. Now let's see another example. Food is being cooked by her. Now let's understand what is the difference between active and passive voice. In active voice, we write she writes a letter. Now change it to passive sentence. A letter is written by her. So in active voice, we use subject plus verb plus object. In passive voice, we use object plus is or am or are plus verb plus by plus subject. In passive voice, the focus is on the action. The object becomes more important here. Let's give another example. They clean the room. The room is cleaned by them. Very easy, right friends? Let's see some more examples for different tenses. She is cooking food. Food is being cooked by her. She completed the work. The work was completed by her. They will finish the project. The project will be finished by them. Important points to remember. Always use verb 3, that is past participle in passive voice. Helping verb changes according to tense. Sometimes by plus subject is not necessary. Example for this. The window was broken. We don't know who broke it. So friends, today we have learned what is active voice, what is passive voice, easy formulas, examples in different tenses. If this video helped you, please do like, share and subscribe to Learn English 360. Comment below if you want more video like this.